Top 10. Best GoPros for fishing. They had to fight harder than ever before. What's more exciting than that though is actually being able to show. Number 10. GoPro Hero 4 Black GoPros. Camera with its 4K recording. The camera also has a 12MP lens which is going to be able to capture your fishing trophies clearer than ever before. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick connectivity and also comes with a smart remote as well. 4K video and 12MP camera. Powerful processor. Automatic features. Number 9. GoPro Hero 3 Plus Session. One that is highly durable, as it is able to be waterproof up to 40 meters. It has a fast image processor which will be able to deliver its 1080p video in high quality. It has enhanced low light performance and a long battery life which will be able to keep you having fun. Compact size. Great low light performance. Long battery life. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best GoPros for fishing or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. GoPro Hero 4 Session. Easy to handle, even with that smaller size though it is able to capture high-quality images with 1440p video and an 8MP camera. It's waterproof up to a depth of 10 meters and is highly durable. It has one button control so the camera is going to be very easy to use. Dual microphone system. Easy one button control. Ultimate mounting flexibility. Number 7. GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Capture pictures in great quality with its 12MP camera, and it can take great video too with its 1080p resolution. It has a built-in touch display which will make the camera very easy to use. It has an automatic low light mode to give you high quality shots whatever the conditions. 12MP camera. Built-in touch display. Auto low light mode. Number 6. GoPro Hero Plus LCD 80p as well as take pictures in 8MP quality. It has built-in video trimming as well as SuperView, and the ability to automatically detect when it's shooting in low light. It can capture time-lapse and burst photos, and can upload them to your phone with its built-in Wi-Fi. High level of durability. A number of photo features. Waterproof to 40 meters. Number 5. GoPro Hero 6 Black 4K Action. It's the technology and features to the next level. With this camera you are sure to be able to capture all the fishing action, as it has brilliant 4K video as well as having a 12MP camera, but it also features advances video stabilization ensuring a smooth video. Advanced image stabilization. Uses voice commands. Faster upload speeds. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best GoPros for fishing or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. GoPro Hero 5 Black 4K Action, which is able to give you some stunning results. The camera is able to shoot video in amazing 4K, as well as taking pictures with its 12MP camera. It's waterproof up to 10 meters and has a 2-inch touch display, so you are able to preview and play back your content. 2-inch display. 4K video. Video stabilization. Number 3. GoPro Hero GoPros for fishing. With that camera it is able to capture time-lapse photos, as well as burst photos with up to 5 frames per second. You are able to record audio with the built-in microphone, and has extreme durability including the ability to be waterproof up to 40 meters. Waterproof to 40 meters. Compatible with a GoPro mounts. Built-in microphone. Number 2. GoPro Hero Session. Ticks all the boxes when it comes to being a great outdoor camera. It is easy to use which is shown by its ability to start working at just the press of one button, whether you want it to capture video or picture. It is waterproof up to 10 meters which should be more than enough. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. Can take time-lapse and burst photos. Waterproof to 10 meters. Number 1. GoPro Hero 5 Session. It's able to dive down to 10 meters without any additional housing, and is a very durable device. It's also very easy to use as it's able to start recording at just the click of a button. You also have the option of not using a button at all as it also has voice control. Voice control. Compact mounting. Advanced video stabilization. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best GoPros for fishing or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.